Alright. Some bait. Just a baby. Oh, he's just hooked in the eyeball.
Oh, bugger.
Poor little guy.
He hooked my own fish.
Fighting him.
Here's what you want.
It's hard to tell because I'm fighting it backwards. Go. Oh, it's upside down. Oh, yeah, that's a good one.
Maybe.
Oh, yeah. Nice. Stolen one of mine. Oh, nice.